Wall Street closed higher on Monday, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average hitting a record high as investors shrugged off geopolitical tensions and pushed deeper into risk assets. The Dow surged more than 500 points, driven by strong gains in financial stocks, while the broader market also advanced, lifting the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq to fresh gains at the start of 2026. Kevin Mon, Chief Investment Officer at Henyon & Walsh Asset Management, said investors were focused on opportunity rather than uncertainty. Investors are, at least at this point in time, looking past the unfolding situation in Venezuela and looking forward to the investment opportunities in 2026, particularly in technology and AI infrastructure.
Very strong start to the week in the equity markets today. I believe that investors are, at least as of this point in time, looking past the unfolding situation in Venezuela and looking forward to the investment opportunities in the markets in 2026, leaning into those same areas that we left off in 2025, specifically as it relates to the technology sector and the AI infrastructure build-out. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that the unfolding situation in Venezuela won't start to rear its head in the markets and in market sentiment over the upcoming week or weeks. But as of this point in time, I believe investors are trying to digest exactly what took place over the weekend, the potential impact on the equities market, and more specifically, the energy market.
Energy stocks were among the biggest winners after a U.S. military operation captured Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro, fueling bets that Washington could soon open access to the world's largest oil reserves. The S&P 500 Energy Index climbed to its highest level since March last year, with ExxonMobil and Chevron both posting strong gains. Mon cautioned that the Venezuela fallout could still affect markets longer term. If there's an impact on the energy market, I don't think it's short term. I think it's going to be a longer term impact.
And if they're expecting an impact on the energy market, I don't think that's going to be a short-term impact. I think it'll be a longer-term impact.
Defense stocks also advanced, with weapons manufacturers rising as investors reacted to the scale of U.S. military involvement. By the closing bell, the S&P 500 had gained nearly 0.2%, the Nasdaq rose just under 1%, and the Dow finished at a fresh all-time high, marking a confident start to the new trading year despite rising global uncertainty.